Okay, friends, we have learned so much this week about nouns and how to turn them from singular nouns to plural nouns in our writing. There are a lot of them, so it's really super duper important that you go back and review before you move on to your quiz for today. You can start with the video that you see on step 1 here. This is a practice game that you can play. It has the different rules, and you get to move the singular nouns into the correct places depending on how they would end. I also encourage you, besides playing the game, to go back and look at those anchor charts on days 1 and day 2 and 3, I believe. Let's go back. So we have the definition of singular and plural nouns here at the beginning. And then on lesson 1, we have a video. You are welcome to rewatch that. That's always helpful to go back and listen again to some of our rules. On lesson 2, we have the rule anchor chart. Look at each one of those. Make sure that you understand what they're telling you, when to apply the different rules, like when to add an S or an ES, when to drop the Y and add IES, when to drop the F and add VES, and what nouns are just irregular and don't follow any of those rules. You can also look at the other chart that we have on lesson 3. It has some examples for the same thing, the S, ES, IES, VES, and some irregulars. And hopefully you also took some notes as you were going this week as far as when to change certain nouns to plural using which rules. Now that you're ready, you can click on your Google Classroom icon and go to Language Week 8, Day 4 to take the quiz. But make sure that you're ready to do this because we want you to do really well. So you'll go to Google Classroom and you will click, let me just go ahead and go over here. You'll go to Google Classroom. I'm going to click in here. You're going to go to classwork as always, and you're going to look for language week 8, day 4. The quiz is like this. You're going to just read the question and answer it. When you get to the very bottom, you're going to click submit, and that will turn it in for you. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week. If you have any questions about any of the assignments in any of the content areas, please let your teacher know, and we will talk to you soon.